Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Pinedo and I'm so excited to see you once again. I know it's been a long while, but we are back. I'm excited to be back. This time I'm super excited. Like, I don't know why I'm still saying super excited because I am super excited. Anyways, today's video is going to be so amazing and interesting. I haven't done this before, but I know you guys are going to be excited to see this. Today's video, as I said in the title, it's going to be an unboxing of some gadgets I got or devices I got to aid me in my vlogging skills and then also in making quality and then good videos for you all, because I know everyone is enjoying it, but definitely as you are growing, you have to make sure you're doing the needful and then the right thing. So today's video is going to be super exciting. Like, eh, anyway, so my excitement is actually out of the way. I don't want to go because what is coming is going to be more interesting and interesting. So you all should stay tuned. And so today's video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to be unboxing some devices I got. So I would like you all to stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed yet as you're watching the video now, kindly go and subscribe. Yes, I'm smiling at you. Kindly go and subscribe and make sure you comment as well and you like. Make sure you share for others to be able to subscribe because the subscription is more important. I really like the subscription a lot. I know you all are going to take it against me, but I don't care. I've said what I had to say, but I have corrected myself. My subscription is more important, so kindly subscribe and don't forget to also share. Stay tuned and make sure you stay and watch the unboxing. See you. Bye. And before I go, I'll be doing a voiceover on the unboxing, so you can actually get to know what and how and wherever I got them. And then also in my conclusion video, I'm going to be doing a voiceover on maybe where I got it or how you can actually get it ASAP. Yes, it was actually interesting because how I really wanted it. I wanted to gift it to myself as a birthday gift, and I'm glad and happy I made it happen. So stay tuned and make sure you watch the video till the end. And whilst you're watching, I said continue sharing, liking, and commenting. See you in the conclusion. Bye bye. Okay, so this is one of the items I got for myself. I'm just doing like an ad on it, making it look nice. So yeah. Alright, so let's get into business. This is an item I actually got for myself, which is the Lavalier microphone, and I also got a video making kit as well. Yes, I just decided to showcase how it looks in the box or out of the box. So I'm just showing how it looks. So yeah. All right. So I got two packages and I'm yet to do the unboxing of it. So first of all, we have the Lavalier microphone. I just liked how it looked in the box. Yes. So fast forward, let's discuss or talk about what we have in the box. This is a charger box. I mean a cord box where we have the cord which will be used to charge the receiver, and it really looks cute. I really like how they packaged it, give it a special box. Yeah, thumbs up. So in this box we have two sets of microphones. In fact, a pair. It's a pair, so two people can actually use this microphone at a go. Yes, I really like how it looks because you can peg it on your dress or anything. Come on, this is given. So the next thing is the receiver. This is where you are going to use this device to connect into your phone. Yeah, and then there's a user manual in it as well. So when you get to try and read it before you get started. Thank you. Alright, so the next thing is a video making kit. I really like how it looks, like it's given. Anyways, we are here to know what's inside. So come along with me as we get to know what is inside this box. Yep. So that's how it's going to look when we are able to set up our device. So let's get going. Alright, so this is our video kit and we are here to know what's inside the box. Yay. Ta-da! this is how it actually looks like. I have my own batteries anyways. So we are here to know what items are in this box. So first of all, this is a multi-purpose tripod. This actually looks given already. Yes, so I decided to stretch the legs and see how it will look when it is standing. And yes, it looks good. And there's this flexible part of being able to move it up, down, up, down. Yes. So there's a button on the side, and you can use it to do that. And you can also use a screw. Yeah. So this is a remote that has a Bluetooth connection in it. Yep. So the next thing we have is the holder, the phone holder. The phone holder is going to hold your phone firm and like strong. Yes. So you have to screw to be able to make it stable for easy and safe standing. Yes, so this is how it looks when you screw it on the tripod. And this is the light. Yes, I picked up the light because it's the next thing to do after you fix the phone holder. So this is how the light looks actually. Very nice and cute. So there's a port for the batteries. Yes, 3 batteries in a hole. So I was just fixing my batteries in. I actually got these batteries myself. I was disappointed they didn't give me any battery. Anyways, well, so this is the first side of the lights. This is the second and the third. Yep. So for the lights, we're actually good to go with the light. Next is the microphone. Yes, this one is very cute. I really like how it looks actually. So I had to adjust the stand to be able to fix my LED lights at the top. Yep, so that it can stand firmly. So I can fix my microphone at the top because the microphone is supposed to be fixed on top of the lights. Yes, so I was adjusting the video so we can see it properly. Yes, because I had to show exactly how to fix the lights on top of the to fix the microphone on top of the light LED light. So it's the same procedure. You screw it so that it becomes tight. So that's actually what I just did, and this is how it looks entirely after fixing it. So this is actually almost done and set. So next is to pick up the cord for the microphone. Yes, it's actually very simple to fix and then arrange. So you just put it at the bottom of the microphone, and next you can connect it to your phone or any device you are coming to play on. Yes, so you connect it this way, you fixing your phone smoothly, then you connect the wire to your phone.